I think a really important piece that you just kind of mentioned there that I wanted to highlight is that software itself is not training. Software is a piece that enables people that are already trained on the right process. What you built just enables what exists already, as opposed to saying, I'm coming in with this ideology, you must follow the app. The app is the way.
Yeah, and that's right. It is going to make your workday easier because you're going to have less risk of compliance mistakes and lawsuits. It's going to be more efficient. You don't have to drive paperwork to the office and then the office folks start making phone calls to say, I can't see if this is a 3 or a 5 or an 8. I can't read your handwriting. It's going to make that part easier, but it's not going to overnight make your employees better employees. That's
Mhm.
going to be a little bit more work. And we can help with that by showing you, giving you more visibility to what's going on in the field, but please don't try to employ the technology to be your disciplinary.
It reminds me of a branding exercise, funny enough, that we did like years ago when we first starting the company. And the facilitator came to us and said, listen, we want to talk about what your values are today and like what it currently exists, not what you aspire to be. Don't give me these things that, oh, we want to be X. Let's talk about what you do now. And that kind of seems like exactly what you're doing is tell me what your process is now, not the next step in that process. Because software won't make that leap for you. Good training will make that leap for you. Good people will make that leap for you. But you can't leave it up to the piece of software to train the people.